20 business ideas you can start in America. Hello everyone. Today, I'll share 20 easy business ideas in America with short stories to inspire you, and number 15 of the business ideas is very important. Let's get started. And please subscribe to this channel. 1. Food truck business. Jake loved cooking burgers but couldn't afford a restaurant. So he started a food truck. Now he travels the city serving delicious meals. 2. Lawn care services. Maria was tired of seeing messy lawns. She started mowing lawns in her neighborhood and grew it into a big company. 3. Pet sitting and walking. Tom loves dogs. He began walking dogs after school. Soon he made enough to open his own pet care business. 4. Online tutoring. Sarah was great at math. She helped kids online and turned it into a tutoring business from her bedroom. 5. Handmade crafts shop. Etsy. Emily made beautiful candles at home. She sold them online and now ships her crafts across the country. 6. Car wash business. Ben started washing cars in his driveway. Neighbors loved it. Now he runs a mobile car wash service. 7. Fitness trainer. Chris loved working out. He started training his friends at the park, and now he's a full-time fitness coach. 8. House cleaning services. Lisa needed extra money. She offered cleaning services to busy families. Word spread fast and she built a cleaning team. 9. Digital marketing services. Alex helped his uncle's shop get more customers online. Soon, other businesses hired him too. 10. Photography business. Nicole loved taking photos. She started doing family photo shoots. Now she's a famous photographer in town. 11. Personal chef. Tony cooked amazing Italian dishes. He offered to cook for busy families, and now he's their favorite chef. 12. Mobile phone repair. Sam fixed his friend's cracked phone screen. Soon, people paid him to fix theirs too. 13. Dropshipping business. Megan opened an online store without keeping any products. She sold clothes and had them shipped directly from suppliers. 14. Event planning. Ryan loved throwing parties. He planned a birthday party for a friend. Now he's a full-time event planner. 15. Blogging. Anna shared her travel stories on a blog. She got lots of readers and made money from ads. 16. Virtual assistant. Jake helped business owners with emails and scheduling, all from his home office. 17. Home bakery. Sophie baked cookies for her neighbors. Everyone loved them, so she opened her own home bakery. 18. YouTube channel. David loved video games. He posted game videos on YouTube. Now he earns money from ads and sponsorships. 19. Translation services. Lena spoke Spanish and English. She started helping businesses translate their ads and made it a full-time business. 20. Eco-friendly products shop. Olivia cared about the planet. She sold eco-friendly bags and reusable bottles. People loved her products. There you go. 20 business ideas with real stories to inspire you. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.